For math today, we will solve addition story problems with objects from the story and drawings. Before we get started, why don't we do a warm-up activity? Let's do ski jumping to 20. So please stand up and do ski jumps to 20.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's start by reviewing all the math words that we have learned so far. Do you remember this word? Yeah, addition. Do you remember what that means? It's when you put together two or more numbers to find the total amount. Addition. Let's see if you remember this sign, this symbol. What is this symbol called? Plus. Good job. And do you remember this symbol? Equals. Very nice. We've also practiced writing and reading number sentences, just like this one. This is an example of a number sentence. And because it's a sentence, it's a kind of sentence, we always read it from left to right. Let's read this number sentence together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. This is an example of a number sentence. For this lesson, boys and girls, I really need you to get a pencil, a crayon, a marker, whatever you have, and some paper so that we can practice writing and drawing our number sentences. So go ahead, hit that pause button while you go grab those materials, and I will be here waiting. Welcome back, boys and girls. Did you get all those materials? Good job. Now I guess we are ready to do our first addition story. Are you ready? Here you go. 3 children are reading in the library. 2 more children come to read. How many children are reading all together? How many children were reading at first? 3 children. Very good. How many more came to read with them? 2 more. Very nice. Now, how many children were reading all together? This is what I want you to do, though. Write how many children are reading all together on your paper. Go ahead. Write that number. All right. I hope you wrote the number 5, friends. Did you get it? Did you write number 5? Well, how did you get number 5? You're right. Because at first, there were 3 children, remember? And then 2 more came, right? So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's read it together, friends. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Well, we have to check our math. We have to make sure that there are 5 children. Count with me, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. All right, here's another one. 2 children are reading in the library. And then 2 children are in the library as well, just looking at picture books. How many children are in the library in all? Write that number on your paper. Go ahead. Oh, show me your answer. I hope you wrote number 4. Now, boys and girls, if you got number 4, if you wrote number 4 on your paper, can you tell me how you got that answer? Very nice. All right, let's write our number sentence together. Are you ready? All right, let's say our math sentence. Here we go. So there were 2 children reading books in the library, plus 2 children who were just looking at picture books. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Well, let's see if our math is correct. Let's count all our children. Make sure we have 4. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children were in the library all together. Good job! Now listen to this new addition story. 1 book is lying on the couch. 2 books are being read. How many books are lying on the couch? 1. Very nice. Go ahead, draw 1 book on your paper. Well, I put this 1 book that's on the couch inside a nice box, just like that. I'm gonna write number 1 down here. Very nice. Did you draw 1 book on your paper? Very good. Now, how many books are being read? 2 books. Go ahead, draw 2 more books on your paper. Well, I put these 2 books, inside a nice rectangle just like that. And I'm gonna say 1 plus 2 more. So I'm going to write number 2 just like that. Now, how many books are there all together? Ooh, let's see if you're right. Let's count them all together now. 1, 2, 3. You're right. 3 books all together. Go ahead, write number 3 on your paper. Just like that. Well, I put all these books inside a nice rectangle. Just like that. Now let's read our math sentence. Do it with me, friends. 1 book was lying on the couch, remember? So 1 plus 2 books equals, how many books did we count all together? 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Very nice. Okay, now let's do this math story. There are 3 copies of Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, while there are 2 copies of The Hungry Caterpillar. How many copies of Chicka Chicka Boom Boom are there? 3. Very nice. Go ahead, draw 3 books on your paper. Well, I put these 3 books inside a nice box, and I'm gonna write number 3 right here. Very nice. How many copies of The Hungry Caterpillar are there? 2 copies. Go ahead, draw 2 more books on your paper. Well, I put these 2 copies of The Hungry Caterpillar inside a nice box, just like that. I'm gonna say 3 plus, how many books, copies of Hungry Caterpillar? 2. Let me write 2 right here. Very nice. So 3 plus 2, how many books are there all together? Ooh, how did you know that? Did you draw 5 books? Did you count all the books? Very nice. Well, let's see if we're right. Let's count all the books in this picture. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're right. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Boys and girls, write number 5 on your paper. Did you do it? Very nice. So let's read our math sentence now. We say 3 plus 2 equals... How many books did we count altogether? 5. Very good, boys and girls. Good job. That's it for math today, boys and girls. We're gonna practice some more tomorrow. Bye.